The first step in creating your awning is creating high-quality fabric covers. To guarantee a waterproof seal, we use our precision seamer. Then we add additional stitching, not only to provide protection against the elements, but also extra strength to your awning. Your custom awning is assembled and then vigorously tested in our facility. Your awning is then precision packed in order to ensure safe delivery to your home. Now, we are dismantling and packaging your awning in a very meticulous way to ensure the awning shows up intact and ready for easy assembly. Here's a complete list of the tools you'll need to complete this home project. One 5-inch torpedo level, one 24-inch level, an adjustable wrench, a box knife, a hammer, a drill gun with an 1/8-inch drill bit for creating your pilot holes. You'll need a pencil, a ratchet with a 9/16-inch socket size, outdoor flexible caulking with a caulking gun, a tape measure that will cover the width of your awning, and hex wrenches. We're installing a 12-foot awning, so we'll need 6 3/8-inch by 4 or 5-inch lag screws with washers, and 5 or so cable clips for your electrical wire if you have a motorized unit. If motorized, your awning comes with a mountable or handheld remote control for deploying and retracting your awning. In and out limits are factory set. Refer to remote instructions for programming. For this size awning, 3 mounting brackets will be required. The brackets are accompanied with properly sized nuts, washers, lock washers, and bolts. Finally, your awning comes with a crank attachment and hand crank on both motorized and non-motorized versions. First, use your siding remover to unfasten the strip of siding where the brackets will be placed. Using your drill with a 1/16-inch drill bit, find your center stud. Working out from both the left and right, find the other studs. Usually, they're 16 inches on center. Be sure to mark your locations as you go on the siding. This particular awning is 12 feet wide, so we will need to mount 3 evenly spaced brackets. The amount of brackets will vary based on the width of your awning. It's important to note not to mount the bracket too close to the edges of the awning, or too close to where the arm shoulder attaches to the square bar, as it may impede the correct operations. Once all studs are located, reattach the siding. Next, mount the brackets. To do this, place a bracket above the stud markings. Mark with a pencil where the bracket will be, then drill 2 holes in the siding, keeping your best to say center of the wall stud. Place the 2 lag bolts into the holes and use the ratchet wrench to screw them in. Use your torpedo level to ensure that the bracket is level. Repeat this step for each bracket. After the brackets have been mounted, remove the awning from its packaging. Carefully cut away from the awning so as not to cut the fabric. Next, if motorized, install the override stem. The override stem is used to operate the awning roller manually should power fail or not be available. Remove the screw from the top of the stem and place the stem through the hole located on the side of the awning. Then secure the screw back in place with a screwdriver. If you have also purchased an optional hood with your awning, this is the time to assemble it. To assemble the hood, install one plate by lining up the holes on one side of the hood and placing the screws in the holes. Then tighten each screw with a screwdriver. Each hood comes with mounting brackets, along with pins, washers, and bolts. Install each bracket by sliding the bracket into the hood grooves and space them evenly. Then place each bolt into the hole and secure the bolts into place. The pin should not be inserted into the holes until the awning is mounted. Once the brackets are in place, attach the second end plate. Once your hood is assembled, get a buddy to help you place the awning in the brackets. To secure the brackets, place a nut over the top hole and insert the pin into the bottom hole. Then, tighten with the crescent or ratchet wrench. Now, if you have a hood, mount the hood by placing it over the awning and again inserting the pin and securing it in place with the nut and crescent wrench. It's important to check the mechanical parts of the awning to make sure that it operates properly. Once the awning is fully extended, you can adjust the height and angle of the awning. To do this, tighten or loosen the bolts accordingly. You will be able to adjust the angle throughout the life of the awning. Check to see if your awning is level, and make sure to do a final check of the manual override system. Thanks for watching, and stay cool under your new awning.